dyan. Talos. Flavor.
Tiyan mo konti.
Nakita natin, he is just stretching. Kailangan yung mileage ni Jordan Redding. He was 0 out of 4 from the field, 0 out of 3 from the 3-point area. Alam naman natin kung gaano explosive itong si Redding. Outside sniping niya, yun ang kulang dito sa offensive execution ng Fiberexers. Johnson, ibigay kay Thompson, sakit niya sa labas. Misses the 3 at Diallo with his 9th rebound. Ito pa yun na hindi rin maganda yung offensive production ito si Santi. 16 or 12 minutes na naman nilaro. 0 out of 7 from the field. Hindi ba nakakascore ito ha? At Santi niya, he was the leading scorer of local scorer, rather of Riverside. Heading into the quarterfinals, 40 na game ang average ng coach, pero hindi siya dito na makatahimik. Ano yan? Tignan na natin ang atake. Usually talagang fearless umatake ito si Gerard Jarito. Nabigyan talaga siya ng masusi to finish yung kanilang mga fast break attack. But going back to your point earlier, itong si Santillan, ano pa kasama? In the first game, kita na natin wala talaga sa Wishon at 3 puntos lang na-score niya. 1 out of 6 shooting. Second game, a little better. He scored a total of 7 points. Pero ang something that nakakagulat to, kasi naman naman 3 minutes sa kanya nila, hindi lang talaga tumatama ang kanilang tira. Pagkatapos ng trainer siya, other guys stepped up. So, game 2 particularly, the other one is connected to the next shot from Rainbow Country. The long pass was taken away, pero hindi na-save ni Clarito na umusan ang espacio sa baseline. The coach Archibald Bird is looking for Santander against Johnson. Hinahanap nila matchup ngayon. They're slowing the game down deliberately so that it will also make the attack of Riverside off balance. And they're cutting their turnovers. Kaya hindi rin masyadong nakakaroon ng opportunity to Riverside. But this is what's going to happen. And you know that this is going to happen. Missed a shot, no rebound. There's a flash ball.